I have handpicked few important PowerPoint templates for school and university students, and you get it absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. You get all these templates for free and you can use it in your school and university projects. So let me just show you what are the templates. The first one is the bacterial cell animated slide. Again, on mouse click, it will reveal each and every part of the bacteria cell. You can see here. And then I've made another one which is the anatomy of the eye. Again, when I click, it will give you the details of the eye, each part. You can see here. So this is the anatomy of the eye. And then the next slide is the animated human organs in PowerPoint. Again, on mouse click, when I click, it goes back and to its right position. You can see here the lungs, the heart, stomach. So this is the human organs in PowerPoint. And the next is the reverse osmosis desalination process. Again, it takes the seawater. You can see here, it goes for the pre-treatment, then the reverse osmosis, and then the wastewater go back to the sea. And then you can see here, the water goes for the post-treatment, like stabilizing the pH level, and it will store the fresh water, and that can be used for the general purpose. And the next slide, I have explained on the distillation process. As you can see here, there is a mixture of liquids. Again, when it's heated up, it evaporates. You can see here the vapors goes up, and then you'll get the fresh water, the pure liquid comes out. And then another infographic slide, I have made it. You can see here I have just put a student and a lot of things revolving around her. The other slide is for the heart health checkup. And then I have made another slide for the water flow infographics. You can use it for the water scarcity or how you can save the water. And one more slide on the healthy food slide. You can see here. And the last, I have made a slide on the COVID-19. You can use this as a poster. So all this is for free, and the download link is given in the video description section. So please watch my other tutorials. Thank you so much. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.